area around the bearing number 4 into the cavity turbine. So we have two pulleys for the high pressure turbine, internally and externally. Alright? Now you can see that bearing number 4 has a return line for the scavenge line, and the scavenge line is going to be separated from the engine oil scavenge lines. The sumps normally they scavenge the oil into the oiler, and from the oiler into the gearbox, and the gearbox oil will be scavenged back to the tank. But bearing number 4, it will be separately scavenged from bearing number 4 area into the oiler direct. So we get rid of the air through the air bearing number 4, we call it air bearing number 4 valve. And we're gonna see it in a minute. On the front face of the gearbox we have the oiler on the right hand side. Alright? Okay. Now that's all and everything in around this area. Now let's go to the oiler and the bearing number 4 valve. Go down, go down, go down, go down, and you stay around here. Stay down here, and this is the oil line which comes from bearing number 4, this one here. Trace that oil line, you will see it's coming there, and it's come there. That's where the location of bearing number 4. And this is the oil line here, 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 here. It's coming down here all the way through this one into the oiler. That is the oiler. That is bearing number 4 valve. Okay? And that is the compressor discharge, ES3 we call it. Comp chart line, where we use it to enhance the pressure for bearing number 4 air oil supply to the oiler. So this is bearing number 4. When the engine is running at low power settings, the valve is almost fully open. When we have the engine at power settings, the valve will start closing to minimize the leak of the oils from the sump. So we want to leave the oil as much as we can in the bearing sump to do the lubrication. So at high power, I need the bearing with oil supply. That means I'm going to minimize the oil flow in this duct by closing the valve. But at low power settings, there is no much friction there. The valve will be fully open, and the thing is going to keep it open. ES3 line, which is compressor discharge air, which comes here. Okay? This is the oiler, driven by the gearbox. And there is a master MCD there. Again, for this, alright? So, that's where we have the breather, engine breather, that when we separate the air from the oil, because we said that bearing number 4 is very hot area, we mix pressure